tailgate.
Tailgates.
Tailgate thefts.
Someone is stealing tailgates.
Toyota Tacomas are some of the most popular.
On here, they're very there are targets.
In May, suspects were caught on surveillance camera on West Wilson Street.
What the f?
So, today we're going to fix that problem.
Let me explain so you have a better understanding of what's wrong with Toyota's design. Simply put, this hinge operates in a way where anyone who removes the tailgate supports can just angle the bed and pull it right off. This lock is designed to make it so that in order for the tailgate to come off, you need to remove the security screw and deal with the painstaking process of slipping the lock off before it can be removed, causing thieves to get discouraged and move on to your neighbor's truck instead.
I'm going to go ahead and try it right now. Okay, I think to do this, I'm going to have to completely remove the tailgate. Now that we have the tailgate out of the way, it should be a lot easier to get to work. If I understand this correctly, this part right here, you can see how these are different. This part right here, where the screw sets in, I would imagine you want that facing on the outside, so it makes sense for this piece to go in first. Obviously, you can't have this pre-installed, right? With the screw as is, these pieces sit too far apart, which reduces the size of the opening back here, making it impossible. If I just loosen this until this security Torx comes out, then these will be able to move. Right? So see how now they sit a lot closer and it increases the gap on this side. So now you can see that it slid right in place. So now to make the locking part of this work, separate them a little bit. There we go. So now they sit flush together. All I gotta do is get that screw to fit in here and it should be all locked in. There we go. That's nice and snug. So here it is open, right? Opens nice and flat. Should just be able to close it now. Ta-da. There, that doesn't interfere on anything. But now with this locked into place, it's gonna be a lot harder for anyone to steal this. You're gonna have to mess with this screw hidden back in here. You're gonna need the correct bit and everything in order to slide this off. Whereas it previously was extremely easy to steal this. So now we're actually going to move to step 2 of securing everything involving the bed of this truck. Next step being these locks right here. This one doesn't exist and this one is damaged. Thankfully, my buddy's a locksmith and he hooked it up with a bunch of new hardware that should replace everything we have currently. You can kind of see a little bit about how this mechanism works. Right up here, basically you turn the key and it moves this bar right here, which then secures underneath this piece, allowing the bed cover to lock into place. And to remove this, you can see there's that big nut that goes around this whole thing, and then the entire assembly should just slide up and out. I won't bore you with watching the entire install of this barrel lock. Just know that right now you're about to see a 21-minute clip sped up. But once I understood how to install it, I was able to do the other side in about a minute. Okay, honestly, way more brutal than I thought it was gonna be. I have the second side done now. So we have 1 and 2. Now I wanna show you guys kind of how this works. When we close the cover, and we take one of these keys, how you would work it is you place it in here, rotate, and pull out. You see this side is locked. So I wanna show you what it looks like on the inside. So there it is, locked, unlock, and now it can open. Lock again, and now it's stuck. Also, now that the bed cover can lock, it effectively works as a lock, preventing the tailgate from opening as well.